definition is 3 strings, but as you can see it has 4, because the 4th one has been added to it at 18th century by Mushtaq Ali King. The king Mushtaq Ali was some person who was really active in music in that moment, in that time, and they added this string to it, so it forms 4 string right now. It has the sound that you can hear from this musical instruments. It's all about its simplicity, and it's a mystical music instrument, so it's really related to your soul and mystical things and things like that. So it's really preferred to play it solely and as a solitude, because it helps you to have it, actually I call it a treat to your inner side of yourself, and just think and be soulful. So I'm gonna play one of, I just improvise some little about it.
About a minute.
Yeah, it's in the key actually, we call it Shur. Shur means lots of passion, things like this. It's that kind of definition.
عجب